Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. It's the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Today we are blending up the ultimate peanut butter banana bulk up smoothie. Creamy, filling, and made to fuel your gains. At around 480 calories, this smoothie is packed with healthy fat, protein, and energy to keep you strong and satisfied. Start with 1 ripe banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. Add in 2 generous tablespoons of peanut butter. That's where the richness and healthy fats come in. Next, pour in 1 cup of whole milk or oat milk for extra creaminess and calories. For an added protein punch, toss in a scoop of vanilla protein powder. And don't forget a teaspoon of honey for just the right touch of sweetness. Blend it all together with some ice until smooth and frosty. The result, a shake that's classic, creamy, and powerful. Perfect for post-workout recovery or anyone looking to bulk up the healthy way. Recreate this and tell me how you feel about your first sip.
I got you. Yes.